Hi, this is Christy with Editor Creations and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive into page numbers. Yes, we can finally add page numbers to our documents right inside of Canva. So I'm going to show you just how easy that is to do. So once you are inside of Canva, open up your documents and we are going to click on text here on the left. And what you're going to do, you'll see here where it says page numbers. So this is awesome. So right away, I just clicked on page numbers there on the left. I know it happened so fast. And look what it did right here. It added the page number. So now what I can do, I can go here to edit and I can make it, I can edit the format. So I can make it numbers, I can make it page and the number. I'm gonna zoom in here a little bit so you can see that a little bit better. So you can see it's changing that here, or I can do X of Y pages. So normally I would just do the page number. You can also apply properties to all pages. So I wanna show numbers and you can choose which pages. Usually you don't want to put the page number on your cover page. So I would just uncheck that first page here, and then it would continue the page numbers on the rest of the pages, as you can see here. Now, I may not like the positioning of this number. So then what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick here, all right, so I'm going to move this to the center, this page number. And then I'm going to go to edit and I'm going to do apply properties to all pages. So I don't have to go individually to every page and center it. So now if you'll see, I go here to the next page and that number has also been centered. And you can continue to adjust things as you like. If I want to move this down some more because it is a little bit tight there, I'm going to move it a little bit lower. And again, I'm going to go to edit, apply properties to all pages. And so then that makes it simple as you're working. So any change you make will apply to all the pages. And my page number is still not quite where I want it to be. So I'm just going to keep adjusting this. I could even make this a little bit smaller if I choose. And again, go to edit, apply to all pages. And there we go. All right. So that is how easy it is so now the page numbers look a little better. And that is just something you'll continue to adjust as needed. But I just wanted to show you how to find page numbers, how easy it is to use, and it is just such an awesome tool that we have at our disposal now. All right, so hope that you found that helpful. Be sure to like this if you found it helpful and subscribe so you can see the latest updates. All right, have an awesome day.